welcome back. What is today? We are on January 8th. We got 2 days, or no, we got 2 weeks of nothing coming in and on the weather. So we should dry out hopefully. I thought I'd come down here to the beach, take a little break. Hopefully you guys are doing well wherever you're at. I noticed a lot of debris here the other day, and it still looks like it's down here. Yeah, we had like 2 weeks of rain, which then makes the beaches just like trash heaven here. It's amazing how much junk is in the riverbed, and the riverbed just flows out to the ocean. Yeah, everything's still here. But yeah, I got off the phone with eBay yesterday, and I really went to bed mad. 5 phone calls, and I woke up this morning with an email saying that they're going to remove the defects. Expect another 48 hours. And it's crazy. They don't remove them all at once. A slow drip, almost like our promotions. When we promote on our listings, it's like it takes forever for the whole promotion to finalize. So it's kind of felt good to actually read documentation that says that they're going to remove them, not we're going to try our best. And would I have done something different? Yes, I would have definitely done something different. I would have been more, I probably would have taken no emotions and more like a robot with eBay moving forward. Because I'm very passionate. I'm very passionate at what I do. And I let their shortcomings affect me. My experience now moving, what I plan on doing, the only good thing I got from this whole thing, I got a hot link. This hot link is basically bypasses the AI automated system that just takes forever to get to the phone number. And then when you do it one time, it fails. And then you have to do it again to get them to actually call you. They got so many little issues. You would think they would have somebody internally be testing this and going, well, that's not fair for even a buyer going through this experience is horrible. But anyway, that should be done. I'll start listing again. But sometimes things need to happen for a change of direction, and I really do feel like the time I had since December 25th to today, and I'm still dealing with 3 defects. I'm changing the direction of my business because of this, because of the experience. I'll be lotting up larger lots. I'll be flea marketing. I'll be launching my AI service for listings online. I'll be doing less eBay now. It'll still be my main income for the first 6 months, but in 6 months from now, I'll be doing flea markets. I'll be generating $2,000 to $4,000 a month on flea markets, and I'll still stay in good standing with eBay, but I won't ever be emotional. They've taken a good seller and made me a mad seller. And that's my fault for accepting. It's my fault for letting them affect me. Everything's about the shareholders now. We're just like a number. It's like I made a commitment that I wasn't going to let them get away with putting my account in jeopardy, losing exposure for listings. I've already dropped $500 this week from making an average of $1,000 and I'm barely at $500 this week. So I've already taken a 50% hit by me not listing every hour of every day. I've been doing that forever and I've stopped. It's like, if it doesn't have $25 or more of value, I'm locking it up. I'm getting ready to move this business to Arkansas. The next 2 to 3 years, I'm out of here. I mean, this is beautiful. I'll only be paying property tax out there. I won't be paying rent that's going out of control and going up every year. Shipping rates going up, fees are going up, less lots, larger source inventory, less everything. It's just sucking me dry, and before it's too late, I gotta make the move so I can have that freedom when I get older. I'll still be sociable, I'll still go to church, you know, and maybe the first few years I'll be coming back and forth to my place here. And when I make that full move, full time, you know, that'll be a long time coming. I've been owned this property for over 10 years now. So it's not like a short dream, it's been a long dream. Anyway, they got to come in here and clean this. You can tell people come in and put them in piles, and there's definitely a lot less, or the tide went up. And yeah, thanks for letting me vent. Please hit that like, subscribe button. The 13 viewers I'm getting to watch this, please hit it. It really helps. I'm looking forward to the new direction. So for the 15 people that watching my videos, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, please. It really helps. God bless you guys. Have a great day.